What's up, guys? Mike with NRG Creativ out here in Anclote. There are a ton of skis out here. Of course, you know what that means. That means you guys need to be careful when you're flying with a group or riding with a group. You can get hurt. Some of these guys just do not care. But anyway, wanted to come see who's all out here and doing some footage. Got the flag flying, camera going. And now we're going to take off in this more. It's kind of overcast today. It had storms all day, but it doesn't stop the skis.
Can't
Tell you what, guys, I think that's some of the roughest shit I've been in a long time. Woo. Look at that. Camera's still there. Flag's still there. Now I know I've said over and over, gonna be jumping waves and stuff like that. Take your flags and your cameras off. But me being the designer and the producer, sometimes I just have to come out here and see what these things are made of, even though I thoroughly test them. Matter of fact, this rear mount is held up so well that it's actually bending my pole. But that is because I have the flag steady on it. Guys, I recommend the flag steady, especially if you're gonna be out in stuff like this. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna wrap this video up. The mounts that you're seeing everything today are these. We have the flag mount. Actually, this is the dual game changer. You need a 360 or the flag. Highly recommend the flag steady and secure brace. And then the side game changer mount. So we were running pretty hard today, and I don't know if you can tell, but that pole is actually slightly bent backwards. Mount held up through all of that. Guys, and rough stuff like that, I highly suggest the secure strap, and if you're running a flag, the flag steady. All right, guys, well, all that video was taken from the Insta360 X5 from the side mount. Yes, these work from either left or right side. Also, on the website now, the NRG jerseys. You can order them. Guys, this is what I pay for them. It's what you pay. I'm not going to charge anybody any profit on these jerseys. So they're on the website. They do take about a week to get in once you order. Look forward to seeing you guys out on the water and some video from the mounts that you guys purchased. Set them on. I'll do a compilation video and get you guys out there. See you next time.